Hi, I'm Connie from Ocean by the River, and today I have another unboxing. This is a bi-monthly subscription from Bella Rose, and this box is absolutely beautiful. Mine got a little smashed on one corner, but isn't this beautiful? Can't wait to open it and see what's in here. So let's take a look. Oh, it's not even sealed. Okay, because it was in a... Okay. Here it is. Bella Rose quilts. It's always a good day to quilt. Look at that. That is beautiful the way it's wrapped. Isn't that pretty? And look at the inside of that box. Okay, let's open it and take a look and see what's in here. Okay. The Bella Rose Quilt Society is a bi-monthly box, $79 plus $8 shipping. And like I said, it's a bi-monthly. And here is my package. And let's see what we have. Candy. Peeps. My daughter's favorites. So I probably will give these to her. And let's see what else we have. There's a little bag, like a little bunny rabbit. Anything's in here. Don't think so. Oh, there's some buttons. Ooh. Okay. Not sure what we're making with these. Okay. Pattern. Other goodies. Let's start off here. Welcome, Bella Rose Quilt Society. Drunkard Blossom. Looks like I'm going to be doing Drunkard Square Blocks, which is what I'm doing for Island Boutique this month. Welcome to the March 2025 edition of the Bella Rose Subscription Box Society. We're so excited to present this month's spring-inspired box. Learning to sew curves was our most requested technique. The Drunkard Flower Project will teach you different ways to sew perfect curves. Each item in this box was thoughtfully selected for this project. You get to choose your favorite method to achieve perfect curves. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your creative world. We can't wait to see the beautiful things you create with your newly learned skills. Okay, and this is clue 2. There is a quilt along. Okay, let's see what we have here. The Peeps. That's a candy. Marshmallow Peeps. Spring season isn't complete without Peeps. Okay, we've got that. Black buttons. Black buttons are for the eyes and nose of your bunnies. Here's the quilt pattern. That is very pretty. You can do a table square, which is 40 by 40, or a bed quilt, which is 92 by 92. This is by Area and Ava Quilts. Beautiful. Yep, lots of Drunkard Square blocks. Drunkard tab. Okay, let's look at the goodies. Cute little bag with some gold foil look. Cute. Olfa. This is an 18 millimeter Olfa cutter. This will be great. It's very good for cutting applique and intricate designs. So this will be perfect for doing the Drunkard Path blocks. Sewline fabric glue pen. Glue pens are great to hold your fabric in place. Ideal when you only need a small dab of glue to hold fabrics in place. colored glue will dry clear and not leave a sticky residue. True grips. Apply to the back of any ruler. I use these now. These are great to keep your rulers from slipping. Rubberized texture on them. They're wonderful to have. So that is your notions. Here is fabric. Oh, here's another. There's another pattern. This one, bunny fluff, table runner, a baby quilt, or a throw. Those are cute. And it's by Area and Ava also. Let's just go right down here. This is my spring house. This is the second block for the spring house quilt along. And this is a cute little bird block, a bird feeder, a bird house, and a little bird on top. That's cute. And here are templates to make your drunkards blossom. There is a bingo. I haven't used this yet. I guess there is they play bingo online. I guess I haven't taken part in that. I should find out more about that. Another little bag that is holding the fabrics. See what's in here. Another bag. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. See what's in here. This is cute. This is like a velveteen. Ah, look at this. Templates. So we don't have to use this because we have these. Let's see if I can show it to you. Oh, let's put it right on here. So we are getting 4 to 5 inch. You want to make a 4 to 5 inch quilt block. There you have those two templates. You want to make bigger blocks. Here we have, this is a 6.5. That was a 4.5. This is a 4.5 inch block. This is for the 6.5 inch block. Cute. Now we'll look at the fabrics. Okay, this is Flower Girl Fabrics by Heather Briggs of My Quilty Life Fabric for Moda. And this collection features sweet and feminine florals in soft shades of cream, blush, peach, buttercup yellow, sage, and grass green. Looks like it includes the fabrics for this quilt. So we've got the green, got the yellow, there's an orange or a peach. Looks nice. And that's a half a yard of this fabric. Which, let's see. The featured fabric, half yard. This one here. Oh, here are the featured fabrics. They're half yard also. Look at that. Each. And then here's a blueprint. Those are pretty. Oh yeah, that'll be nice. So we got a half a yard of these 3 different fabrics, the green and the yellow, and then here is your background fabric. And on the background fabric, it looks like there should be 1 1/8 yard of that. So that is beautiful. That is very pretty. So that was what was in the Bella Rose bi-monthly box this month. There's a lot of goodies in here. Patterns, everything. I'll be showing this all to you. So let me know what you think of this. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in the March Bella Rose box. This is a pretty neat bi-monthly box. You get a lot of great stuff. So I've got patterns for 3 different quilts that I could do. The templates, getting the templates was great, and the notions. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this. And I also have a giveaway. One of the bags that I received here, and these are things that I have had. I've got a little Lori Holt pincushion, a fabric glue stick. They're always great to have. And 2 charm packs. This is an older one that I've had in my stash called Kama. And then Bella Mosa, which just came out this past year, I believe. So I am going to give away 2 charm packs, little bag, the fabric glue stick, and the pin cushion to 1 lucky person. What I want you to do is go over to my website, my blog. It's a lot easier to do a giveaway on my blog rather than on YouTube. So I'll have the link down below in my description. Go to my website and leave a comment there, and hopefully you can win this. Thank you.